Hello guys, welcome to EduNation's YouTube channel.
Hello guys, how are you doing? Welcome back to EduNations. Today I'm going to discuss with you about 7 major skills which you need to improve your job prospects. Okay, here we go.
Problem solving skills. A survey by the Society for Human Resource Management found that 37% of employers cited problem solving and critical thinking among the top soft skills that candidates were lacking. Applicants who can prove that they are able to think critically and find solutions to business problems will have a much better chance of being hired. Another skill that will be essential as our global economy rebuilds from the damage done by COVID-19 is critical thinking. During the pandemic, we have seen a spike in fake news and misrepresentations of data and studies as leaders, businesses, and governments are trying to shift blame and divert attention and proper scrutiny. People who can objectively evaluate information from diverse sources to determine what is credible will be valued. Not all information should be trusted, but organization will need to rely on critical thinking to understand what information should inform decision making. Skill number 2, data analytics. Data science and machine learning related jobs taken together represent 5 of the top 15 growing jobs in America today. Data scientists and workers who can analyze raw data to find trends and answer questions will be crucial to businesses as technology provides them with more data and information than ever before. As the fuel of the fourth industrial revolution, data is a critical asset for every company. With the right data, companies are able to better predict the impact of future business disruptions and are better able to serve customers with the right products and services during or after any pandemic. Companies that understand business trends and shifting customer needs are better able to respond in the right way should a future pandemic come along. However, the data is useless to a company unless there is a data literacy. People equipped with skills to understand the data and make better decisions because of it. Professionals with data literacy will be even more appealing to prospective employers than ever before. Skill number 3, emotional intelligence. Employers are seeking staff who possesses emotional intelligence or the ability to identify and manage one's emotions as well as the emotions of the others. A McKinsey study found that the demand for emotional skills across all industries in the United States will grow by 26% between 2016 to 2030. This soft skill allows workers to relate to others, recognize their own strengths and weaknesses, and also understand what a company clients are going through, making those with a high emotional intelligence an asset to employers. Closely linked to leadership is another skill that is even more important in uncertain and challenging times. At times when people might feel uncertain about their job and the future of their business, it is key to connect with the people on an emotional level. Individuals with a strong EQ will be coveted by organizations of all sizes and in all industries. Skill number 4, social media marketing. Specialists who are expert in search engine optimization, search engine marketing, and email campaigns are high in demand. Applicants with marketing and digital skills that can help companies build their brands will be very attractive to employers in the coming years. The coming months will not be easy for millions of people in the world. Reskilling via online courses will not be the highest priority. But as unemployed or furloughed workers begin to think about their next role and returning to work during this period of sheltering in place, they should consider evaluating their current skills and utilize online courses to develop new ones. While employers will have a large talent pool to choose from once the pandemic is over, applicants should do everything they can to reskill to become as attractive to employers as possible. Skill number 5, technology skills. One of the biggest traits that can be help employees survive in a post-coronavirus world is their ability to be tech savvy. The pandemic has brought about huge digital transformations. Employees are working from home, they are doing online meetings and social media tools to connect professionally has become indispensable. According to experts, artificial intelligence, internet-controlled operations, robotics, etc. will be the future that will help industries grow more resilient to pandemics in the future. Therefore, it is very important that people develop an aptitude to learn new technologies and develop the skills to use emerging tools in their work effectively. Skill number 6: adaptability and flexibility. One thing is for certain: the ways companies operate and work are going to change. The world was already changing rapidly, but the pandemic accelerated it. There will be few jobs for life. Someone that is going to succeed in a post-coronavirus world will need to be able to adapt to ever-evolving workplaces and have the ability to continuously update. The lockdown has brought about many changes in our lives, and there will definitely be more changes waiting for our way after the pandemic is over. The way offices functions, how we work will change, and with the work from home becoming a reality, the changes have already begun. People with the skills to adapt quickly to changes would be of great value to their workplaces. Skill number 7: leadership. One of the changes in the world that is heavily augmented by the support of machines, and where social distancing and home working might continue for the foreseeable future, is that more people at all levels of an organization will be in position where they lead others. The gig economy is only going to grow post coronavirus, and people will be working in more fluent teams where people are taking the leads at different times. Professionals with strong skills in leadership, including how to bring out the best and inspire teams as well as to encourage collaboration, will be in demand. When a ship is in trouble, only an able captain can sail it through the troubled water. During this hour of crisis, people with strong leadership qualities can be a lead a team to success. Industry experts are predicting work from home to be the next big thing. Already many tech giants have asked their employees to work from home till the end of 2020. So people with strong leadership skills who can manage team distantly, inspire teammates to work hard and bring out the best is others would be a safe bet for companies. So it's time for hone your leadership qualities. Guys, if you like to this video, please press the like button and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel EduNations, and please press the bell icon to get more videos. Thank you.